Hello, welcome to my channel Help Tips by Hawk Sir. Please subscribe this channel and see the new video. Let's start the video. We have seen previously that speed is the amount of distance covered in a given amount of time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance covered in a given amount of time. Time taken to cover that distance. Speed is equal to distance by time. Simply put, it tells us how fast an object moves. It's nothing but distance covered over the Also, if we know the speed and the time taken to cover a distance, we can easily find the speed is equal to distance by time. Speed into times taken is equal to distance. Covered distance covered means speed is equal to distance by time. Speed 50 minutes per second of 50 meters per second for 1 minute is equal to the time is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now distance is equal to what? Can you tell me how much distance I covered? Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed 50 meter per second, time is equal to 1 minute 60 seconds. That means then the distance is equal to speed into time. Now 50 meter per second into 60 seconds is equal to 3000 meters. I am sure you have come up with the answers. I have covered a total distance of 3000 meters. But if I covered 3000 meters from this point, okay, am I here or here over there? What? You had no clue as to which direction like this type direction. You can see I headed off. This tells us something interesting. Speed offers only the magnitude, making it speed only magnitude. What we call in physics a solar quantity, it does not specify the direction. Okay, it just tells how much ground covered in unit times, regardless of the direction traveled. Scalar quantity or quantities have only magnitude and do not specify direction. Do you remember the difference between distance and displacement? This direction, left side is direction and right side is displacement. Direction or displacement. Let's distance covered. Distance just tells us the distance covered. But displacement, it's a distance covered. Direction covered, but displacement is distance with direction. Both होगा. Distance and direct displacement. One figure you can see. Let's A and B. Say the distance between points A and B is 20 kilometers. This side is 20 kilometers. You can see. And let's, it's 20 kilometers. A and B is 20 kilometers. Okay. So if we take a 50 kilometers route from points, then another figure you can see. 20 kilometers is 50 kilometers and the displacement is 20 kilometers. North of point, speed does not tell us the direction. Is the anything that tells us the speed along with directions? What? Yes, it's a velocity which can be written as lowercase velocity. V is equal to velocity actually. Now another figure you can see. Speed plus direction and velocity opposite. Let's say you see how it differs from speed is. Then इस वीडियो को नेक्स्ट पार्ट is coming soon. Just wait and subscribe this channel please.